Welcome to 3604 Corsica Lane, Clermont, Florida. This stunning three-bedroom, three-bathroom home, nestled on a prime corner lot in the vibrant Heritage Hills 55-plus community, offers luxury and low-maintenance living. Freshly painted and impeccably maintained, the Hamilton floor plan features an open-concept design with ceramic tile and luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. The guest bedroom includes an ensuite bathroom, perfect for visitors, while a dedicated study den offers versatile space for work or relaxation. The primary bedroom is a serene retreat with two large walk-in closets and a spa-like bathroom with a soaking tub, separate shower, and dual sinks. Upgrades like pull-out kitchen shelves, crown molding in the great room, and a crystal-accented chandelier add elegance. The 20 by 19 screen patio with paver stones is ideal for morning coffee or evening gatherings, and all window treatments are included for a seamless move-in. The HOA covers lawn care, annual garden mulching, and exterior painting every 5 to 6 years, freeing you to enjoy Heritage Hills resort-style amenities. Heritage Hills Community is a gated 55-plus community in Clermont, developed by Lanai, blends Mediterranean-inspired architecture with a Tuscan-like ambiance across 1,154 homes. Set amid rolling hills and wooded preserves, it's designed for active adults seeking a vibrant lifestyle. Clubhouse amenities. The 19,000-square-foot clubhouse features a 500-seat ballroom, 24-hour fitness center, aerobic studio, billiards room, card rooms, library, and arts and crafts studio with a kiln. Outdoor recreation. Enjoy a heated pool and spa, lighted tennis and pickleball courts, basketball, shuffleboard, and a 5-mile walking biking trail, plus a half-mile fitness trail. Unique offerings include a golf simulation room and a dog park. Social scene. An activities director organizes clubs like dance, pickleball, poker, and water aerobics, fostering a lively community where residents can create or join groups. Location and lifestyle. Located off Hancock Road, Heritage Hills offers easy access to U.S. Route 27 and the Florida Turnpike, with Disney World, Universal Studios, and downtown Orlando 30 to 45 minutes away. Nearby, explore Lake Louisa State Park, Lake Ridge Winery, or downtown Clermont's Farmers Market and Dining. The back gate provides a quick route to Winter Garden shops and restaurants. Residents love the well-maintained grounds, friendly neighbors, and walkable environment. At 3604 Corsica Lane, you'll enjoy modern upgrades, a spacious patio, and a low-maintenance lifestyle in a community packed with amenities. Perfect for active adults, this home offers proximity to Central Florida's attractions and Clermont's charm. Come see this great home today.